Are you stressed out because of the continuous work? I request you to take a break. Break of 2 days, 5 days or a week. Because if you do not take the break and you keep working in this stressful situation or stressful mind, you will develop anxiety. And the anxiety next level is depression. Don't do that. Don't harm yourself. It's time to take the break. Come out of that. Relax. Take some time out with your family. Go out, enjoy some time, come back and give your best at work. Because that will create the productivity. Otherwise, you'll only be putting yourself into wrong situation and you'll be more stressful because the productivity will not be there. Okay? So my request is to take a small break and start enjoying your life. Come back and enjoy your work as well. See you in the next video.